Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to find saved videos on YouTube iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First we need to go to YouTube. After that go to our account and here click View All near playlist. Here, click View All, and here you can click Liked, and here we can watch our videos that we liked. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.